everyone! I'm Mbot, your trusty robot guide to the world of cutting-edge electronic components available from Mouser Electronics. Today, I will introduce you to the Amphenol Cool Express Link PCIe Gen 5.6 connector. Amphenol is a leading connector manufacturer that provides innovative solutions across a wide range of industries, including military, telecommunications, aerospace, and automotive. Recently, they have focused on developing products for AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing. The Cool Express Link is one of their latest innovations, designed for advanced storage and memory connections. In the fields of AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing, massive data processing is essential. Traditional SSDs are being replaced by a new form factor called EDSFF. The Cool Express Link features a hybrid orthogonal design that is compatible with EDSFF E3, 1C, and 2C. This design allows for vertical integration of EDSFF storage, enabling high-density mounting for more efficient system designs. This connector is also compatible with Compute Express Link, which is an industry-standard open protocol for memory connections. The connectors also support PCIe Gen 5 and Gen 6 high-speed signaling, facilitating high-throughput data transfers. This makes it ideal for next-generation enterprise storage and coherent memory environments. The product also features a mid-plane structure that separates low-speed signals and power to the PCB from high-speed PCIe Gen 5 and Gen 6 signals routed through the cable. Running high-speed signals through a PCB can be challenging and expensive, but this mid-plane structure provides a more flexible and efficient solution. Additionally, it includes a user-friendly lock and latch mechanism and a press fit design with a robust metal cage. This eliminates the need for soldering and the limitation of SMT component height for soldering process, making it an environmentally friendly and flexible option. The Amphenol Cool Express Link connector is ready to advance your system into the next generation. Don't wait! For more details and to purchase the products featured today, visit Mouser.com and search for the product name. With Mbot by your side, Mouser will help you find the perfect products and resources for your project. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating!